Analysts continue to keenly observe the movement of commodities, with a notable drop recorded in some precious metals. Gold had for the first time peaked at above $5,000 an ounce last week, but has since weakened. Economist Makwe Masilela says silver has crashed as well.
Indeed, there is a meltdown, and all because it started with Donald Trump nominating the guy who will be becoming the next U.S. Central Bank chairperson. The guy who's been nominated now is a guy that is well respected in the markets. He's been at the central bank. Basically, the guy gets to be seen as hawkish, even though last year his comments were showing that he wants lower interest rates. But now lately, people know that this is the guy who wants to fight inflation.
According to economist Gary Boyson, the latest development on the U.S. Federal Reserve Chair nomination saw the U.S. dollar strengthen and the rand retreat quite sharply, in line with other commodity-based currencies. The local currency, which fell by 2.5% on Friday to close at 16 rand 12 cents, has opened even softer today.
The local exchange has been hit by a renewed wave of volatility this morning following President Trump's appointment of Kevin Warsh as the next Fed chair. While he has recently been advocating for lower interest rates, he is generally considered more hawkish. This has seen a major shift in expectations around the future path of monetary policy in the US and has helped to firm up the dollar. We've seen the dollar index back above 97, the rand-dollar exchange rate back to 16.20, and we were in the mid-15s just a few days ago.
The developments around the precious metals have impacted the JSE mining complex.
A lot of the weakness in metals prices have extended into this morning's session as the CME has raised margins on many of the precious metal contracts, which has added further pressure, further selling pressure. If we look at the mining complex on the JSE this morning, the likes of Sibanye down more than 20% at one point. AngloGold, Harmony, Goldfields all under significant pressure as well. There has been some recovery off the initial lows, but investors and traders certainly trying to reprice these businesses given the lower spot metal prices.
Despite the drop, analysts say the rand remains more than 23% stronger than its worst closing price of 19.66 rand on the 7th of April last year, with all eyes being on the jobs numbers to be released in the US this week. Locally, expectations are around the upcoming 2026 budget by the Finance Minister Godongwana in the coming weeks that could be the next catalyst for the local economy. Katlego, Legodi, SABC News in Johannesburg.